Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and if you're new here, feel free to check out my more videos, and if you like them, subscribe to my channel. I have did this makeup look which is called I'm Cold makeup look, and show you guys how did I achieve this look. So it was going viral all over the internet, like it was on my Pinterest suggestion, and whole reel section was flooded with this look. So without further ado, let's start the makeup routine.
So first of all, I'm going to cleanse my face, and for that I'm using minimalist cleanser.
So guys, I'm done with cleansing my face, and I just love this product. This product works so well for my skin. My skin feels so soft after using this cleanser. I'm obsessed with my skin right now. So now I'm going to prep my skin, and for that I'm using minimalist niacinamide serum. So now I'm going to moisturize my skin, because in winter season moisturization, I mean in every season moisturization is very important for your skin. Yeah, so I am using the Mamaearth Tea Tree Oil Free Face Moisturizer. Take lots of moisturizer because weather is so dry. Don't forget your neck. Massage your face until the moisturizer gets absorbed in your skin, and then let your skin like this for a few minutes for all the products to get absorbed in your skin. So the moisturizer has been absorbed in my skin. I haven't washed my hair, and today I'm having a bad hair day. The weather is fucking cold here, and guys, look the temperature. Oof. Can you see the temperature here? It's 14 degrees here, guys. I didn't have that much courage to wash my hair today, but I'm still filming this video for you guys. Can you see the dedication? And for this dedication, please do subscribe my channel, guys. I'm talking too much today. Let's not talk too much. For foundation, I'm using my favorite Maybelline 24-hour full coverage foundation. I'm trying to sound fancy right now, guys. I'm not using too much foundation because I want my makeup to look natural on my face. And one more tip I want to give you guys. In winter, our skin looks so dry, and to avoid that dryness, I mix my foundation with my moisturizer. Only this much foundation I'm going to take. Now I'm going to mix it with my moisturizer. This much of moisturizer. Now let's mix it. And now I'm going to apply this with my fingers only. See how natural it looks. I guess it's looking nice on camera. And for concealer, I'm going to use, where is my concealer, bro? So I'm not going to use too much concealer. Again, I'm blending my concealer with my fingers. So now I'm done with my base. And for tint, I'm using Earth Rhythm. This is not very famous product, but I found this product on Nykaa, and I am using this product from long time. You can see edition of this bottle. This was not too much expensive, and this is so pigmented and glossy and blends on my skin very easily. So guys, can you see how beautiful it is looking on my skin? So my skin is looking like this right now after applying all these products. Now I'm going to shape my brows, and I don't use any pencil or gel. I use powdered one. Can you see the difference? So I have done my eyebrows. So for eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Revolution eyeshadow palette. So I hope it is looking pretty. And for my eyelashes, I'm using the Maybelline Sky High mascara. So I recently bought this mascara, and I just love it. This is so good. So it was all over the Instagram, and now I finally got it, what all the hype was about. And it literally makes my eyelashes look very big, and it just gives a nice volumized effect to my eyelashes, because I have very small eyelashes, as you can see guys. I have no volume, but after applying this, let me apply it properly, then I will show you. Can you see the difference in my eyelashes, guys? I just love this product. So for lipstick, I am using this lipstick. This is a local brand called Half and Half, and it's in the shade Cafe Mocha, and I just love this shade. I'm using Color Bar Diamond Shine Lip Gloss in the shade Midnight Liar 009. There's some highlighter. Can you see how beautiful and fresh my makeup is looking, guys? So I have changed the outfit. I'm wearing this furry sweater, really matching the winter vibes. And don't forget to like, share and comment on my video, and I'd be really happy if you guys will subscribe to me.